Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Porsche Panamera. Keeping your vehicle's time accurate is simple with a few easy steps. We'll guide you through using your steering wheel controls to access the multi-function display. You'll learn how to navigate to the correct menu and make precise adjustments to your clock, ensuring you're always on time. First things first, make sure your Panamera is safely parked and the ignition is on. Now, find the control on your steering wheel. It's either a rotary knob or a lever. Use this to scroll through the multi-function display on your dashboard. You'll want to navigate until you see the vehicle menu. Once vehicle is highlighted, press the knob or push the lever to select it. Once you're in the vehicle menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will open up a new list of options. Continue scrolling until you find Date and Time, then select it. Here, you'll often see an option like Daylight Saving Time or Summertime. You can simply check or uncheck this box to adjust by 1 hour. If needed, you can also manually change the hours and minutes. After making your adjustments, take a moment to confirm that the time and date are exactly as you want them. To exit the menus, simply use the Return button, usually located near your rotary knob, or pull the control lever towards you. Your Porsche Panamera's clock is now perfectly set, ensuring you have accurate time information for all your journeys. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.